That is the new cabin air filter.
Okay, I'll open it. Oh yeah, it's right here.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna take that glove box off. You know why I take the glove box off?
You taught me.
I did, huh? All right. So we want to pull this little arm here, and there's a little clippy. It's really, really hard to get. You pull it down. What you do is you see this, you push it in, and then the whole glove box will come down. We're gonna lift it off.
I got it.
All right. Yeah, it's heavy with all the stuff in it. Right there. Pinch those. There you go. Now take that out gently. Just slide it out. All right. Good job. Woo! Now see that dirty thing down there on the ground with all those leaves and stuff in it. That's dirty. Oh yeah, look at all those leaves and stuff.
That's from probably as much as times as you went like off-roading and stuff.
There you go. Good job. Hey, you, give me a high five. Yeah, you want to seal it back up for me?
Oh yeah, why not?
All right, you don't have to push it hard. It'll just click. Good job.
Speaking of the glove box.
All right, now we're gonna push her back. There you go, it's hooked. Now don't close it yet. We gotta find that little arm, put that little arm back on. Arm's back on. Go ahead and shut her up. All right, you did all the...